A large part of Replex's ability to customize lies in our robust roster of CNC and laser cutting machines. Our numerous 3-axis CNC machines handle custom cuts from minute details to large parts safely and consistently. And our 5-axis CNC machines allow for 3D cutting at almost any angle, expanding our ability to meet your innovation needs. After trimming, all parts are quality checked again for accuracy and imperfections, per the Replex way. We recycle all acrylic waste as part of our commitment to sustainability. Please contact us with your questions, your projects, and your challenges.